And it's Daddy's birthday. Happy birthday, Daddy. Woo!
Your birthday.
Yes, sir. If ever pwede ko yung
Stop.
Basta to, steak na. Hello! Sa 360, padala niya pa kami.
Solid ah. No! What are you doing?
Did you ask Daddy?
I will buy you a white phone.
White, okay. So, it's my birthday today. Lunch tayo kasama ang family. Bago yun guys, since 25 years old na. Wala po. Bago yun guys, may nagregalo sa akin ng camera. Gagamitin ko sa ngayong video. Na yung gagamitin ko pang vlog nila. Pakita ko sa inyo features niya. It's the 360 Ace Pro 2. Thank you. It's the 360 Philippines for sending me this. Sobrang ganda. Pakita ko sa inyo guys kung ano yung pinaka-favorite ko sa features niya. Guys, kasi ako active ako sa IG Reels, TikTok, and YouTube. So, di ba pag YouTube kasi kailangan landscape, tapos pag IG Reel and TikTok kailangan portrait. So, sa camerang to, may option na siya. Tawag dun is free frame mode. Pwede siyang portrait, pwede siyang landscape. Isa to sa maraming features nitong camera na pinaka-gusto ko. And powered din siya by Leica. Sobrang linaw talaga. Tapos 8K siya. Hindi lang siya 4K. So, yun guys, makikita niyo naman sa quality ng video na to kung gaano kaganda itong camera. Happy 25th birthday. Welcome.
Your birthday.
We're gonna ride in the elevator, right?
Escalator?
Escalator, alligator.
Kita na lang ako.
Yes po sir, if ever pwede po yung iba naka-full show us. So,
You will have unlimited meats ranging from beef, lamb, pork, and chicken.
so you're free, you can have what you want.
Can I order a beer? Yes.
It's fun for baby na.
Stop.
Grabe.
Thank you for the experience, ha?
Tapos eh, KKB yan.
Yun lang, huwag mo
Give me daw, boss.
Hindi na ko makuha.
Grabe, kinapag-free lahat yan. Last na to, steak na. Ano sabi mo? Lang yan.
Puro-puro mo yung bibig.
Favorite place ito.
Tignan yung bad.
Hello.
Is that your new camera?
Yes, is it nice?
Yeah, very
Ay,
Fantasy 9. Sana manalo.
sana.
Walang niya ka ulit kung kailan kumakain ako. Nagbablog kung kailan kumakain.
Kaya yes, please ka ng Tuesday, di ba?
Kailangan niya rin pakawin until Tuesday ng 8 p.m. Sino ba talaga sa inyo ni Buds?
Oh, sige bad.
Do like this.
Or like this?
Like that. No. Yes.
Can I have dragon fruit?
Mine. That's not your food.
Pupogi tayo sa camera to. So, sa 360, padala niya pa kami.
Solid ah.
Sige. Pero may rare kayo.
Kailangan yan.
Kailangan. Sorry for trying.
Hindi si Kuya Allen yan kapag hindi na.
Carb load. Hindi, may takbo kasi mamaya. Di ba tatakbo tayo mamaya? Ikaw tatakbo kasi, yes please.
Hindi. Ikaw tawa-tawa ka dyan.
Sarap, pero kung mas gusto ko rare. May kanya yun eh. Never go wrong.
Daddy.
Marunong.
Sama sir.
Load.
Thank you. For this one is medium rare na. Okay lang?
Bali ma'am, for the single cut picanha po, meron tayong 6 slices po of picanha.
Small slice lang siya mag...
No. What's Daddy doing?
Say, Daddy, can we have?
What's Daddy doing? High five. You like it?
Iinom na agad.
Hindi.
Tapos ano may yes, please?
Kuya, ba't bang andun na?
Hindi mo hindi.
Yan, kailangan sa motor.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you!
Narinig ko yung wish sabi. Sana magkabalikan na kami nung mama niya.
Pati na, Churi Shangar.
Picture first.
Why are you sad?
Because I'm going to be sitting on my chair.
Tara, tara. Sino mo natin?
Oo nga, ala. The
I fell asleep. I fell asleep. Oh, okay.
Basta na, the candle is ano na.
Happy birthday.
Healthy.
The shower, Twyla. The shower, Twyla. The shower, Twyla. The shower, Twyla.
Can I eat the candle?
Right side. Why are you eating ice cream? Did you ask Daddy?
Daddy, can I eat ice cream?
You're eating it na eh.
You don't have ice cream. Ha ha ha.
Can I have?
Daddy have other baby.
How about this first?
No. Go to daddy, go to daddy.
I about this.
You want me to do that to the other kids?
No.
Only Athena?
Yeah. Why do I do that?
Sorry. Don't do that anymore.
Yes. I will buy you a white phone.
White, okay. You might.
What? Daddy, but I like to play.
Oh, you might hit the laptop.
Pretend there's a monster in the back.
Okay, I'll go. Oh, slow run lang, slow run.
I don't want here. I want here. No, but
Guys, lumipat kami na estansya kasi meron pop-up dito ng Manila cheesesteak. So, pupuntahan ko siya. Kasama sila after ng lunch namin. Yogurt or ice cream?
yogurt.
Wow!
Anyway, they say wow.
Because you're different now eh. When you were a kid, we have a video, you like ice cream. Now you like yogurt better than ice cream. Hindi nakinig ha. Don't shout. Ano yan? Ano yung nasa, ano mo? Arms? Ano na?
Here, oh.
Tinalo ko.
Wag na po.
Wow! Let's go there ha!
We're going here.
Sana nakakapag bakit? Hi guys, we're playing Tekken. Wow! And it's Daddy's birthday. Happy birthday, Daddy. Whoa, what happened?
So you guys, tapos na yung araw namin. It's 10 p.m. We're going to sleep na. Thank you for watching and thank you for all the greetings. Thank you for my family. Wala na tayong kailangan ilingin eh kasi di ba ang dami na mas malala yung problema sa atin. So bakit pa tayo nag-a-ask for more? Okay lang mangarap pero ba't pa tayo nag-a-ask for more? Eh, di ba existing pa lang is truly a blessing na talaga. Harapin lang natin lahat ng struggles. For sure, malalagpasan natin yun. Guys, thank you again for watching this video and happy birthday to me. Yung natin sarili.
Happy birthday, Dadu!
Super thank you for this girl and shoutout pala kay Riva. Thank you sa regalo mo. Kailangan ko raw ng mic eh kasi di raw marinig yung boses ko sa videos. And thank you again Insta360 for my Insta360 Ace Pro 2. Itong camera na yung gagamitin ko sa vlogs ko for sure kasi ang ganda, ang linaw and yung free frame mode niya talaga yung pinaka gusto ko dito. Thank you for all the support.
Guys, I love you!
I love you everyone. Mwah, mwah.